Let's we see about the cutter mill principle. In cutter mill, size reduction involves successive cutting or shearing of feed particles with the help of sharp knife. That means it's the particles when entering into the hopper. When the particles entering into the hopper, there will be cutting will takes place with the help of this and a knife. That's only we are saying with the help of this knife. So by this way the size reduction can be done. Let's we see about the construction. In construction, there will be two type of knife will be present in the cutter mill. One is stationary knife and another one is rotating knife. The stationary knife is present on the scissor, CASER. And then rotating knife is present on the rotor disc. The rotating knife may be 2 to 12 in number at uniform spaced on the rotor disc. In the scissor at the top there will be hopper will be present through which the material enter into the cutter mill. At the bottom there will be screen will be present. After the size reduction, the size reducer particles enter into the screen and collected in the reservoir as in a product, as in the form of product form. And then working. As the rotor disc is allowed to move at a speed of 200 to 900 rotation per minute, as that we are allowing the material to allow into the hopper, so that under the so that it falls in the hopper. The material loaded into the hopper which flows down by the force of gravity, so that drawing the rotation of the rotating knife, so the materials comes very close between the stationary knife and the rotating knife like this way, so that there will be cutting will takes place. So the particles will be reduced through the smaller particles. So the particles will be reduced through the smaller particles. So the particles will be reduced to the smaller particles. That smaller particles enter into the screen and collected in the reservoir. If the coarse particles, if coarse particle present means with the help of the knife, it is again lifted up and promote further size reduction and then enter into the screen. And then let's be see about the uses. The uses of size reduction. It is used for the tough and fibrous material. Fibrous material means like plants material, for example, and medicinal plant and animal tissue may be normally converted to smaller part. It is used in the manufacture of plastic, rubber, and recycling of paper waste and plastics. That's it. Thank you. Roller mill. The material is crushed by application of stress. By application of stress through attrition is also influences. The stress is applied by rotating the wheels, two wheels or mullers or rollers. Construction. In roller mill, it consists of a hopper through which the materials can enter into the hopper. There will be two wheels are present in the roller mill. One wheel is allowed to rotate. One wheel is allowed to rotate, so that the another wheel is runs freely. At the bottom there will be reservoir is present, through which the materials after the size reduction will enter into the reservoir. Let's see about the working. As the roller is allowed to rotate. After that the feed is allowed to enter into the roller, into the hopper. That means entering into the feed is allowed to enter into the hopper. So that feed enter into the gap which is present between the wheels, so that the materials are crushed by means of wheels under high pressure. The gap between the rollers can be adjusted to control the degree of size reduction. Then the product is collected in the reservoir, as such that the diameter of the wheels may be vary from millimeter to meter. And then uses, it is used for crushing and cracking of an seed, that is used for the extraction of fixed oil, and then used to crush the soft tissue to help in penetration of solvent during extraction process. Hammer mill. Hammer mill operate on the principle of impact. Let's see about the construction. Hammer mill consists of stout metal casing enclosing a shaft. The two or more hammers are attached to the shaft by means of swivel joint. So the hammer rotate in a radial swing out to a radial position when the shaft is rotated. The lower part of the casing have a screen which is used to allow the particles after the size reduction. There will be hopper is present through which only the particles enter into the hammer mill. According to the purpose of operation, the hammer may have a square faced. The hammer may have a square shaped like this, square shaped or tapered form or stepped form. The interior of the casing may be undulating in shape. The interior of this facing means may be undulating like this wise. May be undulating in space instead of smooth circular form. Because of better impact only, it is in the form of undulating in space. The rotor operate at a speed of 80 cycles per second. The hammer is allowed to operate in a continuous motion. Next, the feed is allowed to pass through the hopper. It flows vertically, then it flows horizontally and enter into the hammer mill. After entering the hammer mill, the material strikes against the rotating hammer and converted to a small particles. That small particles moves faster along the casing and enter into the screen. The larger particles will move in a slower and hit against the rotating hammer, and it converted to the small particles and then enter into the screen. Due to tangential edges, the size of the particle may be smaller than the aperture of the screen. Advantages: it will be rapid in action. It is useful for grinding all the type of material. The product can be controlled by the variation of rotor speed, hammer type, size and shape of the mesh. The operation will be continuous. No surface moves against each other. Disadvantages: high speed of operation may produce heat. It will affect the material. For example, thermolabile substance and drug containing gums, fat or resins. The rate of feed should be controlled. Otherwise, the mill may be choked. Because of high speed operation, the hammer may have damaged if any foreign particles is present in that material which we are allowing through the hopper. That foreign particles may be like a stone, metal pieces means it will damage the hopper. That's it. And then application: it is useful for powdering of the crystals and a filter cake.